Let us introduce our name first. My name is Bakta Cantino Repo,
My name is Felix Gabriel.
and we let us introduce our name first. My name is Bakta Cantino Repo,
My name is Felix Gabriel.
and we will create a dialogue about requests.
Okay. Hey Repo, could you help me edit this 6 minutes video? I'm not great with transition, and I know you are awesome at time.
Of course, I'd be happy to help. Could you show me what you've done so far?
Sure. Here the here's the raw cut. I feel tired to keep the clips in order, but I feel like something missing.
Let me take a look. I see what you mean. The flow is a bit choppy. Could you let me handle the transition?
Please do. Uh, can I ask to add some background music? The current silence feels a bit awkward.
Absolutely. Do you have any preference? Maybe something upbeat to keep the energy going?
Yes, that's perfect. Um, not not too overpowering, but you also make sure the volume is balanced with the dialogue.
Got it. And I think some like sound effects could enhance the visuals. Do you agree?
That's great deal. I that's great idea. Could you add subtitle ones like camera likes the photo montage and soft words for transition?
Sure things. What about the brightness? Some of this clip look a bit dark. Thought I fix that?
Oh yes, please. Can you note it consistent across all the scenes? I think that will make it look more professional.
Will do. By the way, I noticed the opening feels a bit flat. How about we add an animated title with your project name?
That's brilliant. Could you make it eye-catching but not too flashy? Maybe with both the aside aside fade in effect.
Absolutely. What about the patching? Since it's a 6 minute video, do you think we should trim any parts to feel too slow?
Hmm. Let me check. Could you ahead and mark any sport you think need trimming? I'll review them later.
Sure, no problem. Oh, and how about some text overlays to highlight key points? It's make the video more engaging.
I love that idea. Could you use a modern font and make sure it matches the theme of the video?
Done and done. While I'm editing, could you start preparing the video description for YouTube? I catchy title and some good text will help it get noticed.
Good. Good call. I handled that. Also, do you think we should include a call to active at the end? Like, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Definitely. How about we add a small animation for what? I will look more polished.
That sounds awesome. Could you handle that part too? Hey, you're really good at making things pop.
Of course, I'll keep it simple but effective. Once I done, Could you double check everything before we upload?
Absolutely. Let me when it's ready for review. Thanks format for all your help. Repo?
Anytime, Felix. Let's let's make this 6 minutes video something people would love to watch. And thank you.
Hello, my name is Felix Gabriel. I will present the material about present perfect tense, definition, uses, and example. Okay, start. What is present perfect tense? The present perfect tense is the use to describe action that occurred at an specified time in the past and are still relevant or connected to the present. Okay, next. Formula of present perfect tense. Affirmative. S plus have has plus P3 so negative S plus have has plus not plus P3 interrogative has plus S plus P3. Okay, next. When to use present perfect tense? Action that happen at an private time in the past with a connected to the present. Example, I have finished my homework. Action that started in the past and continue to the present. Example, she has lived in this city for 10 years. Common time expressions. Ever, at any time. Never, not at any time. Just recently. Already, before now. Yet, not until now. Used in question and negative sentence. Signs from a specific point in time for a period of time. Example, I have just eaten. He has never been to Paris. Okay, next. Present perfect tense. For expressions. Experience. Example, I have finished Japan 3 times. They have never seen that movie. Explanation. This tense is used to talk about life experience without specifying in the exact time. Okay, next. Present perfect tense. For ongoing action. Example, I have worked here since. They have known each other for years. Explanation used to describe action for situation that they start in the past and are still continuing in the present. Okay, next. Negative sentence in the present perfect. Example, I have finished my homework yet. He has called me today. Explanation, negative sentence. So action that have not happened or are not yet completed up to the present moment. Okay, next. Interrogative sentence in present perfect. Example, have you eaten lunch? Have you eaten lunch? Has she finished her project? Explanation, used to ask if an action has happened or if something has been completed at an unspecified time. Okay, next. Summary. Present perfect tense links the past to the present. It is used for experience, complete action with present relevant, and action that start in the past and continue. Pay attention to time expression like since, forever, just, and yet. Okay, thank you. See you next time.